Hi everyone, in this video we'll be demonstrating how to set up DHCP server on Linux system. Let me begin by installing the DHCP packages. I will need to give the user the administrator rights to install the DHCP packages. Okay, done. Now I'll change to the user. Okay. Packages, we would like to set static IP addresses to MCLI device. So we have altogether two NIC devices. So the ENS should be 224. Okay, done. Let us check the IP address. So let us check the route. IP route, yeah, it's correct. So let me begin by configuring the DHCP config file. Sudo nano Next, we plan to lock down the NIC devices which ENS224 for our DHCP distribution. Okay, we will go to this ExecStart for the ENS224 devices at the back. Okay, done. Now we will need to enable the DHCP services. Then we will start the DHCP services. Okay, next we will check the status.